Aging is something we all fear, yet every single day we unknowingly make choices that speed up the process. Imagine looking in the mirror one day and noticing deep lines, sagging skin, and a dull, tired complexion, without realizing that your own habits have been working against you for years. The scariest part? By the time you notice, the damage is already done. But what if I told you that you could slow down, even reverse, some of the signs of aging just by making a few simple changes? Today, we're exposing 5 everyday mistakes that are robbing you of your youth, and I guarantee you're making at least one of them. Stick around until the end, because mistake number 5 is something almost everyone does, and it's the most dangerous one of all. Before we get started, if you want to learn how to look and feel younger for longer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have more game-changing content coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now, let's dive into these shocking aging mistakes and, most importantly, how to fix them before it's too late. Mistake number 1, skipping sunscreen, the silent skin killer. One of the biggest and most common mistakes people make is not using sunscreen daily. You might think sunscreen is only necessary when you're at the beach or when the sun is blazing, but here's a shocking fact. Up to 90% of visible skin aging is caused by UV exposure. That means every time you step outside without sunscreen, even on cloudy days, your skin is getting damaged at a microscopic level. And it doesn't stop there. Blue light from your phone, computer, and other screens is also breaking down collagen and accelerating the formation of wrinkles. Think about this. You've probably seen people who look much older than they actually are. Ever wonder why? In many cases, it's sun damage accumulated over years. UV rays penetrate deep into your skin, destroying elasticity and creating fine lines, age spots, and sagging. By the time you see the damage, it has already been happening for years beneath the surface. The fix? Wear a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher sunscreen every single day, rain or shine. And don't forget your neck and hands. They're some of the first areas to show signs of aging. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Mistake number 2, sleeping in the wrong position. How your pillow is aging. Did you know that the way you sleep can be making you look older? If you're a stomach or side sleeper, you're pressing your face into the pillow for hours every night, creating deep sleep lines that eventually turn into permanent wrinkles. Think of it as slow-motion skin damage. Every night, little by little, your skin is being folded and creased in the same places. Over time, those temporary sleep wrinkles become etched into your skin, making you look older than you actually are. So, how do you fix it? The best way is to train yourself to sleep on your back. This prevents unnecessary pressure on your face and allows your skin to rest naturally. If sleeping on your back feels impossible, at least switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. These materials create less friction, reducing the chances of developing wrinkles. It's a small change, but one that can make a huge difference in how youthful your skin looks over time. Mistake number 3, sitting too much. The aging effect of a sedentary lifestyle. Modern life has made us more inactive than ever, and the effects on our bodies are alarming. Sitting for long periods doesn't just affect your posture or weight, it actually accelerates aging at a cellular level. Studies show that a sedentary lifestyle shortens your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that determine how fast you age. The shorter they get, the quicker your body starts to deteriorate. Imagine your body as a battery. Prolonged sitting drains your energy, weakens your muscles, and slows down circulation, leading to premature aging. The fix is simple but crucial. Move more. If you sit for long hours at work, make it a habit to stand up and stretch every 30 to 60 minutes. Walk around, do some light exercises, or invest in a standing desk. Even small movements can significantly slow down the aging process. Incorporate daily exercise into your routine, whether it's walking, yoga, or weight training, because keeping your body active is one of the most powerful anti-aging secrets. Mistake number 4, chronic stress. The silent destroyer of youth stress isn't just bad for your mood, it's physically breaking down your body. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases high levels of cortisol, a hormone that wreaks havoc on your skin, weakens your immune system, and even shrinks your brain. Chronically high cortisol levels lead to inflammation, which speeds up aging by breaking down collagen and reducing your skin's ability to repair itself. Think about it. Have you ever seen someone age rapidly after going through a stressful period in their life? That's the effect of cortisol in action. To combat this, you need to take control of your stress levels. Find daily stress relief habits that work for you, whether it's meditation, deep breathing, exercise, or even just laughing more. The more you manage stress, the healthier and younger you'll look and feel. Mistake number 5, poor diet, the most dangerous aging mistake. Of all, this is the most common and most damaging mistake of all. What you eat is either slowing down or speeding up your aging. The wrong foods, like processed junk, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats, create inflammation, damage your skin, and weaken your joints. Sugar, in particular, is one of the worst culprits. It attaches to proteins in your skin through a process called glycation, breaking down collagen and making your skin sag and wrinkle faster. If you want to stay youthful, you need to prioritize anti-aging foods. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants. Eat healthy fats like avocados and nuts, and drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Cutting back on sugar and processed foods will not only improve your skin, but will also boost your overall health and energy levels. You are what you eat, so make choices that nourish and protect your body. It's never too late to reverse the damage. Now that you know these 5 everyday mistakes that are making you age faster, the question is, what will you do about it? The good news is, it's never too late to start reversing some of the damage. The key is consistency. Start small, make gradual changes, and commit to a lifestyle that supports longevity and vitality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want more science-backed tips on how to stay young, healthy, and vibrant, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because trust me, what's coming next is even bigger. Stay young, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.